What's up, y'all? It's Lane, and I'm back on the same with another video. Hey, you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas Day, whatever. And today, I know I look like yesterday, but that's beside the point. If you're new here, welcome to my channel and to all my original Lane things. Hey, y'all. We in the kitchen currently cooking breakfast. Got my daughter on the eggs. Okay. Got my daughter cooking a scrambled eggs.
Isn't there anyone?
Yes.
Who knows what Christmas is all
about? It's not her first time, y'all. She not making scrambled eggs. And then there's some corned beef hash right here. And there's some French toast sticks. A little simple breakfast, y'all. This is my little breakfast, y'all.
That's not roasting.
A little bit of cinnamon, eggs, and a little bit corned beef hash. And just like that, I am full. Cannot eat no more. Not gonna force myself.
So I'm offering.
I'm just pretty much gonna go away. Yeah. Y'all notice that I waste a lot of food since having surgery.
Although it's been said many times.
Because I can't finish it, so that's why me ordering out, it really don't bother me because I do it for my kids, like, especially when I feel like cooking out without for them. But I know that they gonna mostly enjoy it and not me. Like, I would eat a bite of something or a couple of bites of something and be done. Finally put my back seat cover on. Hey, it's kind of baggy, but it looks cute now that I put the other one on. I found out how to do it, y'all. I told y'all I was gonna find out how to do it. Yeah, made it to work. I'm early, so y'all already know what I'm about to do. Probably get something to eat first and get my mind and stuff together for work because I'm closing today. And closing is my least favorite, but it be chill for the most part, y'all. So, yeah, let's get this money. I gotta get this money by any means necessary. Like, I got big girl bills. I got 2 kids to feed. Y'all know what it is. Hey, you guys. I'm finally off from work. Don't mind how I look. I'm taking my hair out currently, but I'm about to cook dinner. Already washed my hands. I got some oxtails I'm about to make. This is my first time making these oxtails, y'all. I got them from Walmart for $20.57. So let's see how this turned out. This is my first time. I got my bowl, and I'm gonna show y'all my seasonings and stuff. Just give me 1 second.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
That's not roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
That's not roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
That's not roasting. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. it's been said
So I'm at the end of the little
many times.
Gotta get me together. Thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for my next Vlogmas. Talk to you guys later. Oh no, actually, I don't know.
So this is dinner. This is not my plate.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase. Although it's been said many times.